I think the best advice that I got is that everyone has their own style, and to kind of just do you. It's also like words of my grandma. She always just like, do whatever you want to do that makes you happy. There's so many options. As an attorney, as a person who holds a JD degree, like there's so many options. And to like look at the next person, you're like, oh wow, like what are you doing? Like I want to do what you're doing, but you can also do something just as great and different. So I think like the best advice that I can give to a prospective student, a new student, and a current student is to just do you and be whatever makes you happy.
You're really gonna have to find your own way and how you want to study. Different things might work for different people. For me, flashcards was like transformative. I really use those. I advocate using those, but other people have their own way of studying and learning. So don't worry too much about what other people are doing. Just figure out what works for you.
Make connections. Absolutely make connections. These people will be your peers. They will be your colleagues, and you're just going to make the most amazing friendships, but you're also going to have this rich professional cohort to grab from.
I think the advice I would give is to soak it up. 1L is really hard and stressful and different than anything you've ever done, but the 3 years go by really fast, and I think about them all the time. And keep your eyes open, meet as many people as possible. The relationships you build at Temple are relationships you'll have for the rest of your life. I'm in a book club with 8 women who were in my graduating class, and they're my favorite people to see. My husband went to the law school. We have a daughter now. My parents went to the law school, so it's just like an amazing place full of amazing people.
Well, I think the advice I would give to any law student, and particularly Temple law students, I guess, is, follow your heart a little bit. Don't get caught up in a lot of the things that people think are important when you first start. And, you're learning a lot, you're getting a lot of the skills, and, trust your heart and follow it. And you probably end up somewhere you should be.
You're enough. The brain that you bring into Temple Law is the brain that will get you a Temple Law degree.